Hey guys, wanted to bring you an update. As you see, the Dart now has the Carbon Creations MPR carbon fiber hood on there, as well as the quick latch hood pins you see there in the front of the hood. We also have the side skirts from the Razzi body kit, dry fit. There are a couple spots that are going to get Downstar hardware on those, as well as the back bumpers dry fit. It's temporarily attached with rivets. You see the 3 on this side, there's 3 on the other side in matching locations that will also be replaced with Downstar hardware. We also installed the 3.5 inch burnt tip exhaust tips on there. We're still waiting on Carbon Creations to send us the front piece to the body kit, and then we can get it dry fit. After that, this winter, we're going to go ahead and wrap the entire car, including the body kit, with Avery Blue Diamond vinyl as planned. And then it should be ready for the 2019 show season. Thanks for checking in on it again. Please subscribe to the channel if you like what you see, and continue to like our videos. Thank you.